Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Father and Son. A moral story: take care of your parents when they are old. A farmer's family lived in a small town. But soon after their son was born, the farmer's wife passed away. The farmer brought up his son all by himself. The farmer sent his son to the best school and fulfilled all his needs. Over the years, the boy grew up to be a bright young man. He began to work and earned a good living. But the farmer was growing old. He could not take care of himself and began asking for his son's help. The son was usually busy with work. He got irritated with his father's needy behavior. Finally, he said to his father, "I can't take care of you anymore." The farmer replied as tears rolled down his cheeks, "I raised you all those years and took care of your every need. And now when I need you, you want to send me away." The son apologized for his behavior and took care of his father.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.